In this video, a police officer who's lived with constant pain finally finds relief. After Dr. Boris's adjustment, you can see it. His body relaxes, his face changes. That moment, pure relief.
No pain? No pain?
No.
Okay, let's go face down. That's it. That's it. Give yourself a good hug. Hug yourself. Let it go, let it go. That's it. Woo. Other side.
Oh, yeah.
Wow. Beautiful. Beautiful. Coming up.
Oh, yeah.
Good. Bend forward. Let's see how far you can go. How's that feel?
I've been stretching a lot recently.
How was it?
It was good.
Awesome. Man.
Okay.
Okay.